I'm Judy Shaw for NYSE Floor Talk. I'm here at NYSE West in San Francisco, and joining me today is Adam Goff. He is SVP of Strategy at 8 Rivers. Adam, it's wonderful to have you here. Thanks for joining me.
It's great to be here, Judy.
Thank you. Now, I'm very excited to talk with you, but before we do that, just a quick note to our viewers. This interview is for informational purposes only. The NYSE doesn't recommend any investments or investment strategies. All right, so Adam, tell me, why is it important to you to save the planet?
So I've devoted my career to addressing climate change. And I think when I think about my kids and where the world is going to be in 30 years and 40 years and 50 years, I think I want humans to be flourishing on this planet, and I want the planet to also be flourishing. So I think doing something like 8 Rivers, where we're working on capturing carbon, is something where we can still have a flourishing economy and have humans living great lives, but also still have the planet being the planet that we got used to and a planet that we can live in and thrive in with billions and billions of people.
All right, so talk to me about 8 Rivers. What's your mission?
So 8 Rivers is developing the sustainable infrastructure of tomorrow. We work on clean power, we work on clean hydrogen, and we work on carbon removal. So we develop novel technologies, we advance them, and then we develop commercial projects using those technologies so that the world has tools that they can use to produce energy with all of the carbon captured and typically sequestered underground.
All right, so tell me, how are you different from others in your space?
So there are a lot of awesome companies in the climate tech and clean tech space. Things that make us different is we do multiple technologies. So we don't just do clean power, we don't just do clean hydrogen. We have a portfolio of technologies that we invented in-house. And we also take them from idea to commercial plants. So we take them all the way from invention and IP to demonstration plants to commercialized facilities that we can then license out to big companies and governments around the world.
All right, and how, actually, as you look to the year ahead, tell me, what are you focused on?
We're really excited to be developing projects. I think the policy space, the corporate sector are now in the place where we can actually build these projects that we've been developing in the background for many years. We're very execution focused right now. We raised a significant investment from SK Group in the past, and now we've staffed up our company and are working on deploying projects for a clean hydrogen plant in the US, for a direct air capture plant in the US. So for us, these days, it's execution, execution, execution.
All right, and finally, Adam, you're attending the Credit Suisse Carbon Conference taking place here in San Fran. Tell me, what are you hoping to take away from that conference?
It's really great to see all of the different innovators and innovations in the space to pull CO2 out of the atmosphere and out of the biosphere. So for us, it's really about seeing what the next generation of technology looks like and finding partners that we can work with to help deploy that technology. And also all of these different carbon negative technologies, they need clean power, they need clean heat, which are things that we can help supply with our technology portfolio. We also have our own direct air capture technology, calcite, and so there are a number of potential partners at the conference. So for us, it's a really great place to meet with industry partners that will help deploy and advance our projects, and also see all of the great technologies and projects the whole industry is advancing.
All right, well, wonderful to have you here. Thanks for joining me on Floor Talk.
Thank you, Judy.